If you're trying to decide between these two popular help desk solutions, you've come to the right place. Both platforms have their strengths, but what about weaknesses? Which one truly stands out? Let's break it down so you can make an informed decision by the end of this video. Starting with Zoho Desk, this tool is built for scalability with strong ticket management, automation, and customizable workflows. It offers multi-channel support, meaning you can manage tickets from email, social media, and live chat all in one place. But here's the thing, while it's feature-rich, Zoho Desk can feel a bit overwhelming for smaller teams or businesses that just need basic functionality. The user interface is decent, but some people report that it feels a bit cluttered compared to others in the market. Next thing, HubSpot Service Hub is all about integration with the rest of the HubSpot CRM ecosystem. If you're already using HubSpot for your marketing and sales, adding Service Hub makes sense. It gives you a unified view of customer interactions, which is a huge plus for teams that need deep insights across different departments. However, it's not as customizable as Zoho Desk. You'll find fewer advanced features in the base version of HubSpot Service Hub, and some users find that the lack of customization options is a deal breaker when it comes to tailoring the platform to their specific needs. The third thing to consider is pricing. Zoho Desk's pricing is very flexible, with a free version for small teams and multiple tiers that scale as you grow. It's ideal if you're a growing business that doesn't want to commit to a pricey plan up front. However, the free version of Zoho Desk is limited, and you'll need to move up to unlock some of the more advanced features like reporting and SLA management. On the other hand, HubSpot Service Hub's pricing can be a bit of a barrier for smaller teams. The free version exists, but it's very limited in functionality, and you'll have to pay to access more comprehensive features. The fourth thing to mention is customer support. Zoho Desk has solid customer service options, including a help center, live chat, and email support. However, users have mentioned that support can sometimes be slow, especially when dealing with complex queries. HubSpot Service Hub, by contrast, offers premium customer support as part of its higher tier plans, but even on the basic plans, you'll still have access to 24/7 live chat and email support. The consensus here is that HubSpot's customer support tends to be more reliable and faster to respond. Now, let's talk integrations. Zoho Desk integrates with a wide range of third-party apps, including Google Workspace, Salesforce, and Slack. However, it does require more manual setup compared to HubSpot Service Hub, which is super easy to connect with the entire HubSpot CRM suite. If you want seamless integrations with marketing, sales, and service, HubSpot Service Hub definitely takes the cake here. So, which one is the best? Well, both Zoho Desk and HubSpot Service Hub are solid options for help desk software, but each has its drawbacks. If you need something affordable, customizable, and you don't mind a bit of a learning curve, Zoho Desk might be the right choice. But if you're already embedded in the HubSpot ecosystem, or you want something that's easier to set up and use with fewer integration headaches, HubSpot Service Hub is your winner. However, after trying both myself, I found a better alternative for businesses that need help desk software, but also want the most efficient solution available. If you're looking for something that combines powerful features, ease of use, and unbeatable customer support, I recommend taking advantage of the free trial of the first link in the description. By using our link, you'll get the best free trial available and exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. Check it out now. Your support system will thank you.